What are you doing February 15th? If you want to be unforgettable every time you take the stage, you simply must join us. Hey there, this is Darren LaCroix. I'm coming to Barcelona along with my coach, Mark Brown, to help you be unforgettable. Join us in this workshop February 15th, Saturday. Check out the webpage for details. But we are going to take you behind the scenes to show you what we've learned after 3 decades of coaching. What are those important must-haves in a speech? What are those must-avoids, the mistakes we see over and over that make most presenters boring? Join us and you'll learn our 7-step process to being unforgettable. Who am I? My name is Darren LaCroix, and in 2001 I outspoke 25,000 contestants from 14 countries to become the world champion of public speaking. That's not the coolest part. The coolest part is, where did I start? I bombed in a comedy club in 1992. It was horrible, but that's where I started. We're going to meet you where you're at and give you the techniques that we've learned that we coach our high-level executive coaching clients to help you be unforgettable. Check out the details, save your seat, and join Mark Brown and me in Barcelona, February 15th. Join us.